My channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I made this crochet wig using only one peg of ultra braiding here. So I'm going to cut the hair off camera and stretch the ends, and I did cut 4, cut 5, and cut 6. The cut 6 is going to be below, the cut 5 in the middle, and the cut 4 on the top. And the hair that I'm using for ventilation, I did not stretch it. I'm just going to ventilate it like this. So for the lace, I'm going to be using this small lace, and I'll be ventilating on 2 by 4. Yeah, only 2 by 4 inches right here. 2 from vertically 2 inches, then horizontally 4 inches, and the excess lace I'll cut it off later on. So I'm going to be using method number 3 of my hair ventilation pattern, which is I'm going to be skipping lines. So I'm going to skip one line, and on the line that I'm ventilating, I'm going to ventilate one tiny horizontal line and skip one tiny horizontal line, going on like that. So right there, ventilate one tiny horizontal line, then skip one tiny horizontal line and ventilate in front of it, going on like that. This is the method that I used, and I've used this method so many times before. So I'm going to link other tutorials that are detailed on this. On this tutorial, I just did like a short clips. I didn't do like detailed because I already have a detailed tutorial on this method. So I'm just going to continue skipping one line, and on the line that I'm ventilating one tiny horizontal line and skipping one tiny horizontal line. So keep watching, guys.
Keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
So this is how the closure is looking like, and I'm just going to sew it on my wig cap, and then I will start with the crocheting. So for crocheting, I'm going to show you 2 methods, and I'm going to be using the second method. So the first method, I'm going to be doing the double knotting method. So just pass your hair through like that, then open a loop, pass your hair through, twist, turn, and then pass your hair through again, and then tie. This is the double knot. If you like this one, you can do it, but when I'm using this wig cap, I like to use the single knot, and it will give an effect like you were sewing if you do it side to side. So you see it shortly. So let me show you again the double knot. Just pass your crochet through, then put your hair right there close to hook, then put your hair on, open a loop, and pass your hair through like that. And then this is the single knot, guys. You can see it's looking like I was sewing, because if you use the single knot on this wig cap, this is the effect it will give you. So just pass your crochet through, put your hair on the hook, pass it through, open a loop, then tie your knot like that, guys. This is lovely when you're using this kind of wig cap. So I prefer the single knot when I'm using this, and the hair did not come loose, guys. It was secured. So for the last row, I'm just going to connect my closure and my wig cap, and then when I'm done making the wig, I'm going to cut off the wig cap underneath the lace. So I'm just going to continue to crochet it. And yeah guys, do let me know what you think about the method. Do you like the first one, the double knot, or the single knot, the second one, this that I'm doing right now? Do let me know in the comment section.
Think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want.
So guys, like I said, I only used one pack of braiding here. Cut 6 at the back, cut 5 in the middle, and cut 4 right here on the top for length. So after crocheting, I'm just going to brush my hair, and then on the closure I'm going to open a parting section the hair, then the other hair will cover the back and the sides, and then the bangs. So for the bang area, I didn't want too much hair on the bangs. I just wanted just a few hairs. So I'm just continue to I'll just continue to section until I get just a few hair, because I want thin bangs. So just do it like that, and then after sectioning the hair, I'm going to cut off the wig cap underneath, and then after cutting we'll go on to styling. And make sure that when you're cutting, guys, don't cut your lace. Make sure you're careful when you're doing this. Don't cut too close, because you cut your lace and you have to start over with the ventilation, and we don't want that. So be careful when cutting. So I'm going to start off by applying this coconut and Jamaican black castor oil on the hair, and then I'm going to be using my hot air comb to brush the hair. So I'm just starting with this styling brush. So I'm just going to brush the hair. I'm not going to dip the hair in hot water, because the texture of the braiding hair is soft on its own. Just straight from the package, it has a soft texture, so there's no need for you to put it in hot water. And then after using the styling brush, I'm going to go in with the straightening brush, and it will make the hair like silky. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to do that. And then for the cutting, guys, I'm going to be using my scissors, and you just have to cut, like, it doesn't have to be a perfect cut, a perfect bob, a perfect blunt cut. Just cut straight across, guys, because when you after cutting, we're going to be curling the ends, so it won't show, like the straightness, it won't show. So just cut. Don't worry if the cutting is not perfect, because the hair is going to be curled up. So I'm just going to continue to cut, and then after cutting, I'm going to be sectioning the bang area and put it aside, and then we'll start with curling the ends. Yeah, so for curling the ends, I will be using my straightener, my flat iron. So just curl like that, guys. This is self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing. So just section your hair like that, and then straighten your hair the ends like that, and then just curl going up, and do it slowly so that the heat can make your curl like really curl up, and it will last longer. So I'm just going to curl like that, and then if it's not perfect, start again. So just curl again. If it's not like the curl did not come the way you want, just repeat. And this is how the curls are looking, guys. I love this, guys. It reminded me of those you know, old school African movies. Those, what was the name of the wig? I forgot the name. What was it? Sangita? No, I forgot. I forgot. But they had the wigs that were like bombed up like this, and it's like going back to school. But many people are doing this. This is like trending. Even Nicki Minaj did it. So I just laughed how the style, how old school is coming back to new school. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to curl the ends. And guys, as you can see, it's so simple and it's so easy to do. Yeah, so if you don't like the curl, repeat it until you like the curls. So like that, guys, I'm done. It doesn't even take time to curl the hair, guys. Yeah, so after curling the hair for the dark roots, I'm using eyebrow gel. You can use any eyebrow gel of your choice. Yeah, so this is in color dark brown. So I'm just going to apply it like brush on the hair, and then I'm going to be using my finger to spread it out, like to make sure that there's no harsh lines. It is blended at the ends. Use the product on your finger to fade out the harsh lines so that it can give you that ombre effect. And if the product goes way more than where you want it to be, you can just use a wet cloth to remove when the eyebrow gel is too wet. If it's dry, you can then use makeup remover to remove the eyebrow gel. So for the bangs, I'm going to be using my scissors to cut the hair, and start long, guys. Start long. If you cut short, there won't be any room for correction. So just cut long, and then I'm going to be using my flat iron, and then I'm going to straighten the hair and cut and straighten, cut and straighten until I get the length that I want. I really love these ultra braids because you can use heat on it, and it becomes soft and shiny. So I love that about these braids. But some of the braids, when you use heat on them, they tend to plastic, like you have to use low heat. But this one, there's no need for you to reduce the heat. You can use it, you can use high heat, and the hair will become soft and shiny. So yeah, guys, I'm done, and this is how the wig is looking like, guys. Do let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. Thank you so much for your support. Please do leave a comment, it helps, and like the video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart is where